KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Wednesday, the 17th of October. I'm James Spann. Rain will be ending early this morning. Clouds lingering much of the day today. And probably a little rain as the weekend begins. We'll talk about that as we go. Upper air look this morning. Off to the west, we have an upper low this morning that's centered over Arizona. To the north, a trough delivering the cool air. And an upper high off the Florida coast out in the Atlantic. That was the radar early this morning at 5:03. The Columbus Air Force Base radar. Again, Birmingham is down for some scheduled maintenance this week. It should be back up any day now. But you can see rain still hanging on through parts of Alabama, raining in Tuscaloosa and Birmingham and Anniston. That rain should be over by mid-morning. But again, the clouds will probably linger much of the day today. We're in the 50s, north of Interstate 59, 52 at Haleyville, Cullman 53, Birmingham sitting at 60. And we'll stay in the 60s most all day today for the north central part of the state. Around the nation, the only warmth down in the far southeast United States, southeast Alabama, South Georgia, South Carolina, and Florida. Otherwise, it is refreshingly cool, if not cold. Freeze warnings in effect for parts of Michigan, Indiana, Ohio, New York, Pennsylvania, as the growing season continues to wrap up there. Flash flood watches still for parts of Texas. And obviously, with a cool air mass over much of the country, it's stable and we have no severe weather problems today. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Heaviest rain again over Texas. In our state, light amounts, generally under 1/2 inch. This deal with Saturday probably not bringing too much. In the tropics, nice and quiet and calm. How about that? So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS, the 06E run, 1 o'clock this afternoon at 500 millibars. Upper low over the Four Corners region back in the southwest. Big upper trough over the northeast. An upper high stretching out over Florida. And down below that, the day will be cloudy and cool. Again, we'll be in the 60s all day. The rain should be ending by mid-morning for most places. But tomorrow, a brighter day. We'll forecast sunshine return. The high will be close to 70. This is Friday. The day looks dry. We'll forecast a high in the low 70s. Clouds will probably increase with that next wave. And the question is, when does it rain and how much? Well, let's go to Friday night. This is 1 a.m. and the GFS is now slower. We'll go to Saturday at midday. This is Saturday at 1 o'clock, and this is suggesting light rain across the state. But let's look at the old reliable European. It often gives a pretty good idea of what's happening. So let's go to Friday evening at 7 o'clock. We're dry. I think there's a decent chance we get the high school games in with no rain. Can't guarantee that, but a pretty good chance the way it looks now. This is Saturday morning at 7 a.m., and if this verifies, the rain would be over the Tennessee Valley, the northern third of the state. Let's go to Saturday at 1 o'clock. And again, this is suggesting rain for Birmingham and Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden. Again, we got some football going on here. Auburn is in Oxford. I think a decent chance the bulk of the rain will be over by kickoff, certainly by halftime. And up in Knoxville, same thing. I think a decent chance the rain should be over by kickoff there at 2:30 Central. But clearly a chance of rain Saturday for north central Alabama. And then by Saturday evening at 7 o'clock, what's left of it is down to the south of Birmingham. So we'll mention a chance of some light rain Saturday, especially Saturday morning. Nothing really heavy. Otherwise, the day will be cloudy and cool with a high only in the low 60s. Very cool day. Sunday, the sun back in full force. We start the day down in the low 40s, the high in the middle 60s, and Monday a sunny day. Again, Monday, low 40s. We could see some 30s for the cooler pockets. The high Monday around 70. This is Tuesday. This is suggesting maybe some rain for the southern part of the state. North Alabama would stay dry. And a week from today, Wednesday the 24th, little wave south and east of here, and that looks cool and dry. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday, October 26th. Look at all the blue there. Heights below average with troughing, and that looks cool and dry. Numbers coming off the GFS ensemble. You can see the 41 Monday morning of next week. That's when we'll probably see some 30s for the colder pockets. And again, for next week, highs mostly in the cool 60s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.